Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best slant boards that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Balance 1-Foot Stretcher Multi-Slant Board. This adjustable slant board will make the muscles very responsive amid exercises. It actually helps you to stretch properly and also reduce the chances of injuries. The good thing about this board is that it has demonstrated health benefits other than stretching. For instance, the board helps people recover from plantar fasciitis and related ankle injuries. One of the things that you will appreciate about this board is that it comes in a lightweight but sturdy design for portability. What's more, it comes fully assembled, meaning that it will be ready to use right from the box. Since it has been priced affordably, you have all the reasons to buy this board even if you are shopping under a tight budget. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Flybold Wooden Slant Board with side handles. This slant board has been constructed with premium quality plywood with a birch finish. For this reason, we can say that this board will serve you for a very long time. The anti-slip tread will give you a very superior grip to avoid any injuries. You will also appreciate that it will be possible to adjust the incline angle into 5 different heights to suit the needs of different people. This tool is good in aiding recovery and stretching your feet before or after a workout. Its sturdy construction allows it to support a maximum weight capacity of 450 pounds. Equipped with side handles, the product will be very easy to carry. What's more, it folds down compactly for convenient storage under your bed. At number 3, we have the StrongTek Professional Slant Board. This is a premium injury prevention tool that has been recommended by physical therapists. It will make your muscles responsive amid the exercise. It also stretches properly to reduce any chance of injuries. Other than stretching you either before or after a workout, it will also be very beneficial for recovering from plantar fasciitis and other foot and ankle injuries. One of the good things about this product is that it can be used by people of all ages or fitness levels. It is a multifunctional slant board that will easily adjust in 5 different positions to meet the needs of different people. With its anti-slip safety treads, you do not have to worry about your safety. Its professional size and side handle, on the other hand, will enhance portability. At number 2, we have the PainFree @ Slant Board with interlocking lip. This product is used for Igosu method exercises as well as posture alignment. It will, therefore, be ideal for realigning the spine in a pain-free manner. Another thing that people like about this product is that it is easy and never scary to use. If you are shopping in a limited budget, you do not have to worry now that the price for this product is affordable for any budget. This item has been proven to be good for stretching the feet, calves, as well as the hamstring muscles. It will also encourage your body to remain in perfect alignment when using it. You will also like its adjustability and perfect footrest for use in a workstation or any other convenient place. When not in use, it will fold down compactly, allowing you to store it under your bed. And finally, at number 1, we have the BodyKore Posturonomic Slant Board, 350 pounds weight limit. This is yet another slant board that will give an optimal stretch for your feet, calves, hips, quads and even hamstrings. You will also have the convenience of adjusting the slant board in angles of 26, 38 and 42 degrees depending on your needs. Additionally, this product has a non-slip top and bottom that will help to guarantee safety on all surfaces. This is a well-constructed board that will flawlessly support a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds. When not in use, this board will close flat for convenient storage. What's more, it has been made with a handle opening for simple grip and transportation. You need to buy this product confidently since it comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.